Okay, in this tutorial we're gonna talk about something interesting, and that's the story about static and not static methods. Static methods are those that you can use directly without creation of object, and not static methods are those that to use them you must use it through objects. So that's like a theoretical complication. So let's explain this practically. Well, outside of main method we're going to say static void and name for that method, let's say, I don't know, direct usage. So parentheses, because this is a method and a little bit of direct operation, system.out. I hate typing these long instructions in Java, absolutely hate it. Anyway, what was it? Print line, and we will say something that will be hard coded, something from direct usage method. Okay, something like that. It's really not important is what it is. It is just important that it's working. So to use this thing down there, it is just enough to say this: direct usage parentheses, and that's a method call. So no errors on the left side. Bam, there you go. We have results. Can we use this method through object? Well, yes, we can, but it will generate warning. So let's create object here based on main class. We're gonna create something like I don't know, some object, and based on a main class that will be done. Now, see this warning here? Well, we're gonna talk about that more. So anyway, let's use this object, some obj. When we say dot, we're gonna have listing of that direct usage method available. Like direct usage is available. Can we use it? Bam. Yes, we can. There you go. Another way how to use it, but still we do have some kind of warning here. So let's hover over it to see what's up. The static method direct usage from the type main should be accessed in the static way. And that means you don't need to use object to use that method because it is static. Okay, so it's not obligated to create objects to use it. So that's maybe something you need to pay attention to. Anyway, let me delete this. Well, what about not or non-static methods? Well, here we are going to create public method, public but without static. Okay, we will just say void, and name will be must, I don't know, use objects. Must use objects, and we will print something here. Let me steal this code down there. We will print here, let me think, I can be used only from objects. Now check this out. What is the name of method? Well, this. So let's try to use it down there, and see, not just that we have warning, we actually have like error. Okay, red stuff. Cannot make a static reference to the non-static method, must be blah 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 and so on. So of course when I say play or run, there you go, problem. Same error pretty much. So how you can use this non-static method? Well, you must create object. So let's do that. Actually, where we can use this to separate things? Yeah, right here. So here I'm going to, based on main class, I'm going to create how to say that name of this object will be. I don't know, unknown object. So I don't know, I'm not creative with names. Absolutely hate naming things and variables and objects. Absolutely hate it. But a new main, and now of course you cannot use it again here because you must use it through objects. So we do have this unknown obj or new obj. Maybe it's better to use new obj. New obj. And now, only now, we can use it. So see, no errors or warning on the left side. Yeah, I can be used only from objects. So bottom line, guys, in this tutorial, is if you want to use something directly, some kind of method, then just use static here. And if you want to use something only through objects, then use public here without static. Okay, so static stuff for direct usage and public stuff if you want to use it through objects. So that's pretty much it topic in this tutorial. As always, thank you for watching. See you next one. Ciao.